Hey guys, how you doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. So this is our Forex update for today. So straight over to those two charts. So we have my old friend here, Euro US dollar, looking pretty strong here on the daily. What I will note is that firstly, obviously, we've broken out of this pennant pattern, and we look to be trying to make a move with a measured move. Measured move actually been all the way up around 1.13. But we actually coming up on the 200-day moving average, which is, you would assume, is going to cause at least some friction, stopping the current progress upwards. But it may only be a small respite. It may only slow us down for a bit, and then we may carry on breaking up. I still fundamentally think this is a sell, but obviously the charts what we trade. So yeah, we'll have to see what happens here. Let's have a look at the 4 hour, see if we've got anything interesting to see on the 4 hour. Interesting TD wise. Yeah, we had the 9 slowed us down a little bit, but nothing major at all really. And yeah, just carried on with our upwards trajectory. So looking pretty good on the 4 hour, and then the hour is obviously going to be looking very good. Yeah, hour looking very good. Topped in a 9, looking at getting a 9 in another couple of hours, so potentially get a little bit of a pullback in a couple of hours, but that's only an hourly time frame, so that's not gonna override obviously this larger time frame. Based on the move we're getting on the daily, if we do break the 200, maybe another 4 days of upside to get us to a daily 9 before we potentially have some form of larger time frame weakness, so we'll keep our eyes on that. Cable, our move up is stalling based on the 9. So you can see we're still basically pretty much our entry level. So we have to see what happens. We've got a lot of data coming up here, so we could potentially, one of those could be the catalyst that moves us up. But yeah, still targeting the 200 based on this. So we'll see what happens there. See what we can see on the 4 hour. We zero in on anything. Yeah, nothing on the 4 hour really. Obviously we looked at that 9 we topped on yesterday. Eventually got a bit of weakness from that area. Euro sterling, 4 hour 8. So yeah, potentially we'll get a move back to the 21 on the 4 hour. I do believe we have a 9. Yes, we do. So we have a 9 here on the daily too. So yeah, that combined with the 4 hour, we could time quite nicely a short trade in here, so maybe targeting the 50 period daily moving average. But we'll put this line in here just so we can kind of see what we're looking at here. Let's get rid of the arrow. That'll do. That'll do. Come on, go away. It's not that important. If I can't do it with this one click, we'll leave it, but we did it. So yeah, maybe targeting around this level. I would say as a minimum, but yeah, it could start off a whole 9 day correction. But yeah, so we got that coinciding with the 4 hour. So yeah, maybe we'll be looking for a sell trade around there. Yeah, so we're looking out for that on the euro sterling. Aussie dollar, US dollar. Pretty range bound here. This looks exactly like the stock market, doesn't it? If we didn't have this written on the axes annotations for me to look at, this looks exactly like what the stock market's doing. How bizarre. Anyway, so yeah, this is the 4 hour. We had a 9. It didn't really do too much to the price. Let's have a look on the daily. Yeah, daily looking toppy, but looking like we could test down. I mean, honestly, this is the same thing I'm saying for the S&P. It's just strange. And also the daily 200 and the daily 21, we're getting basically crushed in between. So I will just quickly show you this. I'm sure you guys know anyway. You don't need me to show you, but here the daily. I mean, there we go. It's the same chart, and you can see getting stuck between the 200 and the 21. So yeah, it turns out this is just it's just an S&P proxy. So that's so there's not really much I can tell you with that I don't tell you in my S&P video. So let's have a look at hourly, see if you've got anything going on the hourly. Not much really showing on the hourly here. So dollar index again, making a little bit of a move down. This is on the 1 hour. Yeah, look at that for a nice 1 hour 9 and a 1 hour 9 buy there that eventually did change our direction. So maybe a couple more hours of weakness on this and then maybe we'll get some strength. Got anything? Not too much going on the 4 hour and the daily. Yeah, not too much other than just a bear. It looks like it's going to try and come for the 200 on the daily, so it does look like we're going to get a bit more weakness actually. So that's maybe what I'd be expecting there. Yeah, based on this, obviously these are going to be coming down more. Oh, we've got a bot trade triggered here, so we'll see what happens. We'll just get rid of that. Yeah, so, and then also the Mexican peso, yeah, we're still dropping out of this, a target around here. Yeah, we're still going to be, and then the Turkish lira looks like it's coming on a 9, so that's going to potentially maybe have a bit of reversal there. So yeah, that's our Forex update for today. So yeah, thanks for listening. Remember, it's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. All guys need to always do your own research. And yeah, I'll speak to you later on today.